Today we're launching an expansion to the open source Semgrep engine. It's called Semgrep Code, and the two differentiators are it has a pro version of the engine which expands on one of the original limitations of Semgrep.
Semgrep Code is an evolution of Semgrep open source, and it really represents all of our learnings in deploying Semgrep open source at large organizations.
As things have evolved, we've gotten a lot of requests from customers who are like, hey, there's no reason why this simple rule that I wrote shouldn't be able to analyze across file boundaries.
We have improved the coverage, the security coverage that our tool provides. Not only through the engine, but actually through a set of what we call pro rules. And pro rules are rules that are written by our security research team. They're written so that when they find something, we have high confidence that that is an issue and it's appropriate to show your developer.
We think that Semgrep has been usable as an AppSec solution for a long time. Many of our customers have been asking us to basically make it easier for me to set up an effective AppSec program.
With Semgrep Pro Engine, with Semgrep Code, kind of collectively those things, we believe, allow you to create a security program that will allow you to actually show results to developers.
Oftentimes when you buy a security tool, really what happens is you put the code in, you get a whole bunch of issues out, and then you're just, okay, go fix those issues. The idea with Semgrep is really around a concept that people in the industry call secure guardrails, or secure by default, which is rather than creating the situation where you have to play whack-a-mole with all of the things that come out of an automated tool, how do you go back to the source code and the architecture and design in the first place and make it impossible for many of these kinds of vulnerabilities to occur? Things that are security problems that often have security tools thrown at them are really engineering problems. All security bugs are ultimately just engineering bugs at the end of the day.
My kind of lens on our problem is how do you make these things easier? Because they have to be easier in order for the software community and kind of the global community to progress. So what we wanted to do is say, hey, let's take what computers are best at, which is doing the same thing over and over again, and augment basically like human intelligence with that, with the strength of a computer. And so our CTO will tell you, like, we want to make computers sweat. We want to make them do the hard work and be consistent, and we can kind of do the creative, novel work.
What we've tried to do with Semgrep is build a product that is really designed for engineers from the start. And that means both security engineers as well as software engineers.
So I think what we're building is really exciting in that we're building one tool that can analyze basically everything. The vision is any programming language, any infrastructure as code, any config file, whether that's YAML, XML, JSON, or so forth. Basically, if it's a text file, Semgrep can analyze it, and you need to learn just one syntax, one way of writing rules, and you can literally apply that on anything.
Anything that is defined as code, we want to scan and we want to secure. And I think the goal is provide really a single platform that you can log into, register for, use, that is going to provide complete code security for you and your company.